Number 16. Consider a circle circumscribed about a regular pentagon. If the area of the circle is 452.4, then the area of the pentagon is what? Okay, so I have a picture here of a circle circumscribed about a regular pentagon, and I'm going to start by drawing the center of the circle. I'm just going to say it's right here. Then what I'm going to do is draw line segments from there to each of the corners. And the reason that I'm doing this is because since this is a regular pentagon, I know that all 5 of these triangles are going to be equivalent. And there's actually a formula for the area of a triangle that has to do with 2 sides and an included angle. So if I have, for example, on this triangle right here, if I have this side, and this angle, then I can find the area of that triangle. And then to find the area of the pentagon, I can just multiply by 5, because that pentagon is just 5 triangles. Well, if you notice, the side of this triangle is just the same thing as the radius of the circle. See, it goes from the center to the circle. So, to find the radius, we have the area. So we can just set the area equal to pi r squared. Divide by pi and square root, and we get an r of 12. Now, the formula that you use to find the area of the triangle, you take 1/2 the product of the sides, and then multiply by the angle that is made by those 2 sides. So in this case, this would be A, and this would be B, or other way around. And then theta would be this angle right here. So we already have A and B. We know that this is 1/2 times 12 times 12. But this theta is something we haven't figured out yet. But since we know that these triangles are all the same, we know all of these interior angles are all going to be equivalent. So to find the measure of one of them, we can take the total measure, which would be the full circle, or 360 degrees, and divide it by 5. So we know that theta is equal to 72 degrees. And now since the pentagon is made up of 5 of these triangles, to find the area of the pentagon, or A sub p, we can just multiply by 5. And when we do this, let's see, 5 times 1/2 times 12 times 12 times the sine of 72, we get a value of 342, which is answer choice E. Okay, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make a video with the solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.